Join me as I recount the mysterious events surrounding the Philadelphia experiment, an alleged wartime project claiming to make a naval ship invisible. Though dismissed as a hoax, its enduring legend continues to intrigue, reflecting the era's secrecy, scientific hopes, and fears of technological warfare. As the war intensified, the U.S. Navy sought ways to improve its fleet's capabilities. Secret projects flourished, driven by urgency and national urgency, fostering an environment ripe for mysterious experiments that would later become the subject of speculation, including the infamous Philadelphia experiment. These early signs, odd electrical surges, unexplained phenomena, began to circulate among military personnel. Such incidents, initially dismissed as minor glitches, gradually fueled suspicion about clandestine project activities that might involve electromagnetic research. On that consequential day, whispers grew louder of a secret test involving electric fields and electromagnetic manipulations. Personnel involved described strange device setups, heightening suspicion that the Navy might be experimenting with invisibility technology, though no official confirmation was given. Witnesses later described seeing flashes of light and strange energy discharges around ships in container docks. Some claimed crew members vanished or became embedded in bulkheads, fueling fears of dangerous side effects and pushing authorities toward secrecy. Though official records remained silent, leaked documents and eyewitness testimonies suggested a covert test of invisibility-like effects using electromagnetic fields. This created a mythos around the USS Eldridge experiment, which would deeply influence conspiracy theories for decades. The legend grew. Tales circulated that the USS Eldridge had vanished from Philadelphia, only to reappear off the coast of Norfolk, Virginia, with crew members fused into the ship's structure, stories that have persisted despite lacking credible evidence. The theory suggests that the Navy's quest for invisibility aligned with emerging electromagnetic technology and radar, aiming to create a military advantage through covert, experimental science, blending fact with legend to envision secret wartime innovations. Official inquiries found no definitive proof of the experiment, and classified documents only deepened the mystery. Secrecy surrounding military research during World War II meant that many such stories remained unverified, fostering a culture of suspicion and intrigue. The myth intersected with UFO lore. Stories emerged of ships and experiments connected to extraterrestrial technology, transforming the Philadelphia experiment into a symbol of secret government cover-ups involving strange physics and alien encounters. Analysts argue that stories like the Philadelphia experiment served as psychological operations, fostering fear and curiosity, while real advanced military science remained cloaked in secrecy, illustrating the era's complex relationship with classified research. Testimonies from witnesses have kept the legend alive. Stories of ships blinking in and out of visibility, crew embedded in steel, and electromagnetic anomalies, each account fueling a community that believes in the experiment's truth. Carlos Allende's writings provided lurid details of the experiment, claiming to possess secret documents and witnesses, but lacks verifiable proof, and his credibility remains a subject of debate among scholars and enthusiasts. Expert evaluations consistently find no substantive proof, instead pointing to the lack of scientific basis for invisibility or teleported ships at the time, framing the experiment as a myth rooted in wartime hysteria and speculative fiction. The story's cultural footprint is undeniable. From movies to conspiracy websites, the Philadelphia experiment symbolizes secret military research, inspiring countless retellings that keep the legend alive among enthusiasts. While mainstream science dismisses the claims, modern theories about electromagnetic cloaking and quantum tunneling have led some to hypothesize that experimental efforts similar to the legend may have had a basis in nascent scientific concepts overlooked at the time. Books and documentaries emerged, claiming secret revelations, yet many skeptics regard these as sensationalism, exploiting the mystique of covert experiments to generate commercial success and perpetuate myths. The persistent myth has become intertwined with official narratives of secret research, complicating efforts to distinguish between genuine technological advances and mythic constructions designed to conceal or distort military history. Mainstream scientists point out that invisible ships and instant teleportation defy current understanding of physics, making the Philadelphia experiment a compelling story but lacking in empirical support. During the Cold War, stories like the Philadelphia experiment embodied fears of unchecked government power and unverified technological capabilities, thus capturing the collective imagination of an era obsessed with secrecy and control. Even today, the legend endures, representing our fascination with the unknown, an enduring myth that questions whether humanity has truly mastered the secrets of invisibility, teleportation, and advanced physics. This ambiguity fuels countless debates and theories, ensuring that the Philadelphia experiment remains a captivating mystery, an open case inviting speculation, myth-making, and scholarly inquiry across the decades. Efforts to uncover the truth have mostly yielded silence from official archives. Without concrete proof, the legend persists as a fascinating example of wartime paranoia and the enduring human imagination. Such legends mirror societal anxieties about uncontrollable scientific progress and the shadowy depths of military research, reflecting hopes for technological superiority and fears of losing control over emergent powers. Today's scientific consensus affirms that such phenomena are not possible with existing physics. Nonetheless, the legend persists as a testament to our enduring fascination with transcending physical boundaries. This legend exemplifies the human tendency to romanticize and mythologize scientific ambition, transforming unverified phenomena into symbols of mysterious advanced technology that challenge our understanding. While curiosity drives exploration, skepticism helps prevent the acceptance of falsehoods. The Philadelphia experiment reminds us of the need to distinguish visionary science from fantastical myth-making. This legend encapsulates aspirations to transcend human limitations, inspiring generations with visions of potentially turning science fiction into reality, fueling both hope and caution about technological advancements. The story endures because it resonates with deep-seated fears and hopes, an example of how technology and secrecy combine to create legends that outlive their origins in fact. As history, the Philadelphia experiment reveals as much about cultural fears as about scientific possibility, an enduring myth that reflects the complex relationship between human curiosity and the unknown. The Philadelphia experiment remains a symbol of curiosity, fear, and innovation, an enduring myth that inspires us to explore beyond the known, questioning what realities might lie just beyond our reach. The legend of the Philadelphia experiment embodies our enduring fascination with technology, secrecy, and the unknown. While lacking proof, it continues to inspire curiosity and explores the boundaries between myth and reality.